So this is a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 1/18 scale model, and this isn't any regular model car, it is a heavily modified one. This has full LED lighting system by Jacob from Model-llitchsysteme. He does amazing LED modifications on scale models. I will also provide his Instagram and YouTube channel link in the description of this video, so give him a follow. And this Prado is one of them. This model has very detailed lighting system with so many features, which I'm going to cover in my next video. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles for daily updates. So like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.